Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm filming on my phone today because I can't find my camera. It's kind of freaking me out, but I'm not going to stress about it right now because I'm about to leave for my hair appointment. I slept in a little bit, so I'm kind of running late. Well, I'm not running late, but I just have a couple minutes to get out the door. So I'm going to make this intro very snappy and I'm going to head outside. Might grab like a banana or something to take with me because I'm going to be in this appointment forever and I'm bound to get hungry. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like right now. It's definitely grown out quite a bit and it's not as light as I want it to be. I started out with really dark hair and you guys would know that if you saw my older videos or if you saw my last hair transformation video that I did. I've done a few, but the last one that I did, I talked about how I was going lighter with my hair, going from dark to light for the first time because my hair was like very dark brown, pretty much black, and right now it's at this like medium. Let's see if we can turn towards the light so you guys can see a little better. It's at this like medium kind of stage and I really want to cut it shorter and I want to lighten it a lot more. So I'm really excited to see how it looks. I've never seen my hair as light as it's going to be today, so I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you guys. And let's just get this day started. Got my water bottle, a banana. Let's head out the door. Okay guys, so I'm in my car. My hair feels like so short to me right now because I cut it again. I've had it short like this in the past, but it was growing out and getting to like an awkward length. So I wanted to cut it shorter, which I think I mentioned earlier in the vlog. And so it's definitely like a lot shorter and there's like a mix of colors. Like some of it's more like white or lighter than the rest of it. And it's like kind of a mix, which I do like. I have mentioned to you guys before that I have a purple shampoo, the brand Kin, that I really like to use as like a mask and it really tones all the brassiness out of my hair. So I might use that this week later. We will see, but right now I am really liking this color and I think it looks really good. So it's just new for me because I don't know if I can pull off hair this light. I'm like looking in the mirror right now because it's like so weird. Like I feel like it's so different for me. Like this to me is a way bigger change than the last time. Because it's just a lot more lightness in my hair than before and I don't know if I can pull it off, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll do a little shot where I turn. She also did some like texturizing in my hair, so it's like not layered but not quite as like blunt and straight of a cut as it always is because there's some texturing to it, which I do like. I like that it feels like it's not as heavy and I feel like I have less hair, which is nice because my hair is really thick and it can get to be a lot at times. So this isn't a super long video. I realize I may end up inserting a little clip at the end of this video if I decide to do my hair with like the purple shampoo and like style it with my natural waves later this week. If I haven't posted the video at that point. So we shall see. But I do really like how my hair looks right now, so I don't want to like get rid of it too fast, even though I do love my natural waves. So we shall see. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think of lighter hair on me in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And yeah. Hey guys, so it is the next day, and I actually did end up deciding to wear my hair natural. And I don't know why, but hopefully you guys can tell how much darker it looks. And there's so much light in this room right now. Let's see if we can come over here. Excuse the background. Even in natural lighting, it looks darker natural than it did styled. And I don't know if I washed my hair too soon after styling it. Like, that could be the issue here. And that kind of freaks me out. Please excuse the background, it's horrendous. That does kind of freak me out. Like, I hope I didn't do anything to like mess with the bleach. I did sleep on my hair, and so the waves are looking really crazy right now. So they don't look their best, but this is how it looks. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like with my hair when I wear it natural, just because this is how I am wearing it most of the time. And yeah, I guess in like right in front of the window, the light does bring more lightness to it. Like, you can see it a little better. So maybe it's just the way my hair is like waving and it's like hiding the lightest parts. I don't know, because I have had some experience like before when I lightened my hair. The first time, like when I would wear it natural, it didn't look as light either. So that could have something to do with it. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.